how to find AWS Account ID. In this video, I'll show you how to find AWS Account ID. So to get started, go ahead and open AWS into your browser and then sign in to your AWS account. Now, once you're signed in, go ahead and click on your name, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. So you can find your account ID without opening the sidebar by viewing it above your name. You can also find it under your name. So under that, you'll be able to find this account ID, and then you can go ahead and copy this account ID and then enter it anywhere you want to. So take note that the account ID that you have for your AWS account is unique for every user. So every account ID is different for each users on AWS. And for yours, you can find it under the name that you have. You can also find it at the top right of your screen above your name. And that is how you can basically find AWS account ID. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.